Welcome to Lesson 1, Preparing Your Computer. As you see in the Getting Started, by the end of this lesson, you will be able to answer the question, how can a computer be set up successfully to successfully complete a BASD Schoology course? It's important that you go through each of the steps needed in this particular lesson so that your computer at home, whether it's a laptop or a desktop or even a Chromebook, is ready for you to be able to do everything for this course. Now you'll notice that up here you have this next button. You click the next button and it takes you into what's under direct instruction. Again, you can click next, and this is note-taking time. So you will download your template. It'll go into your download area. You can print it out so that you can handwrite on it if you would like. And then what I recommend to some students is for them to download on their phones a thing called TinyScan. And that allows you to take an image of something and it actually saves it as a PDF rather than a JPEG, which is nice because a PDF acts differently when you're in an online class than a photo or a JPEG. So that will help you do that if you want to handwrite. Otherwise, you can do it electronically and then submit electronically. It's totally up to you either way. Then you hit the next. There are some vocabulary terms, and you'll see that it'll come up in Quizlet. You want to go through each one of these terms, and that may be part of your graphic organizer. Then you have a reading assignment. You need to go through here and you need to read all of this. It all has to do with your computer at home. So make sure that you go through each one, that you make sure that you do everything that it tells you to do, whether it's about Java or Adobe or your browser, anything, to make sure that everything is up to date on your computer. Then there's a second reading assignment that you want to go through, and it talks about Kindle Fires and Androids and all sorts of stuff, and about the Schoology app, which some of you have already been asking about beforehand. This is the collaborative learning folder, and you'll have one in every lesson as well, even in the main course. And so the first discussion is you have to create a post describing your experience preparing your computer for an online course. Be sure to discuss what you need to update or change. Now, normally I won't read the prompts to you. You will need to read the prompts yourself and make sure that you're following all the directions. But I will be checking to make sure that you do that. And then the next one, in independent activities, you will always have a journal reflection. That's even in the English course. So this tells you how to actually submit something. Make sure you do read the directions. And here is where you're going to submit the electronic notes from the direct instruction. And that is a pattern throughout the courses. And then you'll have a short little quiz, and that actually ends lesson 1. If you have any questions, please let me know.